I'm Dr. Binu. The fifth module in the second unit is Wi-Fi, GSM as well as GPS. These are all the various communication modules used in the IoT. The first subdivision is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity or wireless frequency, which allows multiple computers to communicate as well as provide a means to connect to the internet from the access point to the computer or laptop. Wi-Fi networking technology combines and transmits data information from various devices using different bands of radio waves. It's widely used technology in today's smartphones as well as personal computers. Wi-Fi in IoT. Wi-Fi enabled IoT devices are frequently massive immobile hubs. They are small gadgets that are Wi-Fi capable. If we want to use Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi IoT device must be reasonably close to the Wi-Fi access point. The differences between Wi-Fi enabled IoT versus Bluetooth enabled IoT. The various parameters are: the first one is speed. Wi-Fi offers maximum speed which is faster than Bluetooth IoT. The reason is Bluetooth is better for delivering tiny data files such as numeral numbers from a Bluetooth enabled IoT timepiece. Second one is location detection. Through the Bluetooth IoT and Wi-Fi IoT devices which they are linked, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth may properly transmit location information. Third one is security. The Bluetooth does not have a secure IoT protocol. The available security is sufficient for most users. On the other hand, Wi-Fi offers a safer choice, especially useful when working with sensitive data. Next parameter is proximity detection. The proximity data offered by Bluetooth devices in IoT is substantially more exact than Wi-Fi equivalent in terms of proximity detection. Advantages of Wi-Fi in IoT. We can transport a wireless laptop from one location to another. We can reduce the expense of cables by using wireless network communication devices. Wi-Fi setup and configuration are much more straightforward than wiring. It is secure and will not disrupt any network. We may use hotspots to connect to the internet. Wireless internet access is possible. Some of the limitations of Wi-Fi are: it emits radiation that is harmful to human health. We are not utilizing the server, we must terminate the Wi-Fi connection. There are certain limitations to data transfer. We cannot transport data across great distances. When compared to conventional connection, Wi-Fi deployment is more costly. Some of the applications of Wi-Fi are: it's used in smartphones, application for business, application for home, computerized software, automotive industries, video conferencing while surfing the internet. Second subdivision is GPS, which is nothing but global positioning system. It is a navigation system that allows users to determine their exact location on the Earth's surface. It became an essential tool for a variety of applications, including navigation, surveying, mapping, and tracking. GPS uses satellites to monitor the movement of anything equipped with GPS tracking device, including automobiles, humans, and even pets. It operates in any weather condition and offers precise location updates in real time. One of the easiest way to track the disseminate digital information from real environment, GPS has significantly impacted IoT technology. GPS in IoT may gather and measure enormous amount of data on anything from individual health to public transportation. GPS tracking is required to provide location information for such objects. More reliable, easy accessible data set can be built using GPS and the Internet of Things. The function of GPS satellites complete 2 accurate orbits around the planet every day. An individual satellite signal and orbiting parameters can be decoded and used to pinpoint the satellite's location via a GPS receiver. Benefits of GPS integration in IoT. The integration of GPS with IoT can help organizations to optimize their operations and simplify complex processes, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Some of the limitations of GPS in IoT is the accuracy of GPS tracking is limited and is affected by physical and environmental factors such as signal interferences, weather, and the location of the receiver. Real-time applications of GPS in IoT. Smart transportation fleet management, precision agriculture and environmental monitoring, personal tracking and wearable devices, finding the right balance. The last module is GSM module. GSM is Global System for Mobile Devices. It divided into 4 distinct parts: mobile station, base station subsystem, network and switching subsystem, operation support system. Mobile station is essentially the access point someone uses to connect the network. Base station subsystem contains base transceiver station and base station control. Network and switching subsystem is a term for the major component of 2G core network. Operation support system is used to manage the network, which carries their OSs to configure network element, manage and configure the services they offer, handling system errors, and managing the system's rate. Is GSM is still useful? Yes, GSM networks are now 3 decades old, and there are 3 generations of cellular network with far higher data rate transfer, more secure connections, and advanced networking capabilities. GSM has been one of the most popular connectivity choices in cellular IoT. Modern IoT manufacturers need to evaluate whether 2G connectivity is still a viable operation for their application in the region where they want to deploy. Choose the right connectivity for your application. Among the varieties of protocols as well as connectivity, GSM played a foundational role in modern cellular communication. Some operators are transitioning to newer network. This technology is still immensely popular for its global availability and extremely low cost connection.